ECM multi-speed blower motor problems can seriously mess up your home comfort, so knowing how to spot common blower module failures just by looking can save you tons of time and stress. Alright, so first off, when you pop open the blower motor module cover, keep an eye out for burnt capacitors. They often look swollen or discolored, kind of like they've been through a mini fire. Sometimes you'll notice cracked inrush current limiters, which are small components that help control the electricity flow. If they have visible cracks, that's a red flag. Another big giveaway is a burnt smell around the module. That weird electrical burning scent usually means something's fried inside. Also, check for any fluid leaking from the capacitors. If you see any sticky or oily residue, that's not normal and points to damage. Make sure you look for any scorch marks or melted plastic around connectors. They can mean overheating. If the blower motor isn't working right, these visual clues can quickly tell you if the ECM module is to blame before you start swapping parts blindly. It's like giving your system a quick health check without needing special tools. And hey, always turn off the power before you inspect to keep safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motor troubleshooting is ignoring early signs like burnt smells or fluid leaks, which usually leads to bigger failures later on. Catching these early can save a ton on repairs. Another common problem is not checking the inrush current limiter for cracks, which messes with how the motor starts and can cause it not to run at all. Replacing a cracked limiter fixes this. Lastly, folks often overlook capacitor damage because it's sometimes subtle visually, but a swollen or discolored capacitor almost always means it needs swapping out. Leaving it can cause poor blower performance or total motor failure. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with HVAC systems and blower motors. For contractors, it's a great way to get connected with people who need reliable help and grow their business without hassle.